Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital files in our shop this week. So it's smaller mushrooms 3 and 4 and they come together. So when you buy a file, you get 3 and 4. And right now we're having a Black Friday sale. So you get these two for $1. And that is BF Sale 22. And all our single files, all my classes, and the stuff that's on clearance, you get an extra 50%, you get 50% off. But let's go through the colors here of mushrooms 3 and 4. There's 3 different sizes on each sheet. So you have the 1 3/4, the 1 1/2, and the 1 1/4. We found the 1 inch was just a little too small. So this is what we decided to do. And you'd be surprised. It does look very different than the 2 inches. Let me go get one. Okay, so I got a couple of files just to show you the comparison. So this is the 2 inch and this is the 1 3/4. And then you have the 1 1/2 and then you have the 1 1/4. So lots of different sizes. And then the same with mushroom. I think this is number 4. So quite a bit of difference in all of those too. Okay, so let's go through all the different files. So these come in our assorted files. So we have the apples and oranges. And I printed 2 of those because I have about half of them already gone on one sheet. Then we have the Cozy Cafe. There's only one sheet, but I always print a lot of times more than one. That way I get more of them. Then we have Pastel Paradise. Then we have Radiant Rainbow. And again, I printed 2. Radiant Rainbow. Then we have Seasoned Spices. Then we have Summer Carnival. And I think, yes, I put the mint one in the back here because that's exclusive to my patrons. So they're going to get this at the beginning of December. So that's the mint. Then mushroom 4 is apple and oranges. And I printed 2 of those. So there is also a sale on our bundles. And if you go to my website, NicoleJones91.com, go to classes/store. It'll tell you there's 2 coupons. One is for bundles. So right now, to get all of this minus the mint, it's $6, $6.15 if you use the code for the bundles. So you get, what is that, 12 different sheets for $6. So you got Cozy Cafe. And again, I printed 2 because, I've almost used up all the colors already. Cozy Cafe. Oh, I think that's one of my favorites. I also love Pastel Paradise. Radiant Rainbow's always one of my favorites too. And that's why I printed 2. I don't know why I didn't print 2 of the Pastel Paradise. And then Seasoned Spices. I love this one too. I love them all. And then Summer Carnival. And then this is the mint for exclusive to the patrons. So the first full week of December, they're going to get both of these as their free digital files. I love the mint. Love it, love it. Okay, so that is the new digital files that are available right now in our shop. And again, we're having a Black Friday sale to end very soon. And so go to NicoleJones91.com and check out all the details there. But that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.